Mwiriwe bene data, tubahaye ikaze uyu munsi ku gicaniro cy'umuryango. Imirongo y'ibyanditswe yakuwe muri Bibiliya yera ndetse n'imirongo migufi yakuwe mu bibwiriza byabwirijwe na mwene data William Marion Branham hagati y'umwaka w'igihumbi 947 n'igihumbi 965. Mu gihe muri kumvira ijambo ry'Imana, turizera ko muri buhabwe umugisha. Matayo igice cya 6 umurongo wa 22. Itabaza ry'umubiri ni ijisho. Ijisho ryawe nireba neza, umubiri wawe wose uba ufite umucyo.
Now, that has to be singleness of motive, singleness of heart, singleness of eye, keeping your eye on the promise.
Noneho icyo kigomba kuba icyifuzo kimwe, umutima umwe, ijisho rimwe, uhoze ijisho ryawe ku isezerano.
If you're sick this morning, if you're afflicted, there's one great promise, not the Elijah, but by God Himself. If thou canst believe.
Niba urwaye muri iki gitondo, niba uruhijwe, hariho isezerano rimwe rikomeye, ritari irya Elisa ahubwo ry'Imana ubwayo. Mwizere.
When you pray, believe that you get what you ask for, and you shall receive it.
Igihe musenga, mwizere ko mwahawe icyo mwasabye kandi muzagihabwa.
No matter what the doctor says, how much this goes or that goes, keep staying on the promise.
Icyo umuganga yavuga cyose, uko iki cyaba kigenda kose cyangwa kiriya uko kigenda, guma gusa ku isezerano.
Elijah gave him a condition. If you see me when I go, it'll come on you. There's the promise.
Eliya yamuhaye amabwiriza ati nubona ngenda zirakuzaho. Hari isezerano. Nimwizera.
If thou canst believe, all things are possible to them that believe.
Byose bishobokera uwizeye. Niwizera, byose bishobokera uwizeye.
Sometimes I look at myself and think I've been such a jellyfish in my life. I have waited and missed many thousands of souls.
Nirebaho maze ngatekereza ko nabaye ifitagira urutirigongo mu buzima bwanjye. Narategereje maze mbura ubugingo ibihumbi mu bwami kubera ko nategereje.
Because I've waited and said, God, depended too much on a spiritual gift. And said, Lord, if you'll just show me, if you'll give me a vision what to do.
Ndambirije cyane ku mpano y'umwuka, maze ndavuga nti, Mwami, nunyereka byonyine, nunyereka iyerekwa ry'icyo nkora.
And God gives a vision, then I'll turn around and let somebody talk me into something else. And I have never come to the spot yet.
Maze Imana ikampiyerekwa, hanyuma ngahindukira, nkemerera undi muntu akambwira ikindi kintu. Kandi yo nari ntaragera ku ntego na gato.
Until like I have at this time, that I feel it's a faith that we must step out there because it's a promise.
Nuko nayigezeho ubu, yuko numva ko ari ukwizera, yuko tugomba gutera intambwe mu hariya, kuko ari isezerano.
And the things that He has done, and the healings that He has performed, and the miracles in so much has come down and had His picture taken by the side of it, and so forth, which has never been known since the world began.
Kandi ibintu yakoze, no gukira indwara yakoze, n'ibitangaza, ndetse byinshi, nko kumanuka agafotoranwa natwe iruhande rwacu, n'ibindi bitigeze bimenywa kuva isi yatangira.
And then stand around like a jellyfish. It even makes me discouraged with myself.
Maze ngahagarara aho ngaho nk'ifitagira urutirigongo, ndetse bintera kwiyica intege.
It's time to keep your eye on the promise. That's what, by God's grace, I aim to do, and I realize that every devil of hell will shoot at it.
Igihe cyo guhanga ijisho ryawe ku isezerano, kandi icyo ni iki? Ni ubuntu bw'Imana ngambire gukora. Kandi menya ko buri dayimoni yose y'ikuzimu izabirasaho.
But by God's grace, I aim to keep my eye on the promise. Elijah said, if you see me when I go, you'll have what you ask for. Amen. That's
Ariko
right.
binyuze mu buntu bw'Imana, ngambiriye guhoza ijisho ryanjye ku isezerano. Eliya yaravuze ati, nubona ngenda, urahabwa icyo wasabye. Ibyo ni ukuri.
You got to keep your eye on it. What's the promise? Now, what if it's at school? If you turn back and say, hey, boy, how am I doing now? I'm falling all over behind the prophet. He'd have failed me.
Mugomba guhoza ijisho ryanyu kuri ryo, mwitegereze isezerano. byamera bite ku ishuri iyo aza gutera umugongo akavuga ati yewe bahungu merewe nte ubu kwirirwa ngende inyuma y'umuhanuzi, yari kuba yaratsinzwe hariya.
But he didn't care what the school thought, or what all the teachers thought. He didn't care what the neighbors thought, or the houses, or who looked at him. He kept his faith in the promise.
Wenda yari kuba yaratsinzwe, ariko ntiyigeze yita ku by'ishuri ryigishaga cyangwa icyo abarimu bose bigishije. Yigeze yita ku by'abaturanyi bigishaga cyangwa amazu cyangwa se uwamurebaga. Yagumishije kwizera kwe mu isezerano.
What we need today is faith in the promise of God. And don't pay no attention to what this one says or that one says. As a brother said, a minister had 2 girls that were mute.
Icyo dukeneye uyu munsi ni ukwizera isezerano ry'Imana kandi ntimwite ku cyo yavuga cyangwa uri yavuga. Nk'uko mwene data yavuze ati, umukozi w'Imana yari afite abakobwa 2 batavuga, kandi uwo abana ntibashoboraga gukira.
And there's the criticism on divine healing, that the children could not be healed. Don't pay no attention to the critics. Keep your faith on the promise.
Anegura gukiza indwara kwa Kimana. Ntitwite ku kunegura. Mukomeze ukwizera kwanyu kwisezerano. Imana niko yavuze.
God said so. The prayer of faith shall save the sick, and God shall raise them up. If he can make one deaf mute to hear, he can make another deaf mute to hear. We know by infallible proofs that he does that.
Isengesho ryo kwizera rizakiza umurwayi, kandi Imana izakiza umurwayi, kandi Imana izabahagurutsa. Niba ishobora gukiza umuntu umwe utumva akabasha kumva, ishobora no gukiza n'undi utumva maze nawe akumva. Tubizi binyuze mu bihamya bitaneshwa yuko ibikora.
Keep our faith on the promise, our single, our ears single, our heart single, and one thing on Jesus Christ, and he's able to perform that which he has promised.
Muhoze kwizera kwanyu kwisezerano. Ijisho ryanyu rimwe, ugutwi kwanyu kumwe, umutima wanyu umwe, kandi ikintu kimwe kuri Yesu Kristo. Kandi ashoboye gukora ibyo yasezeranije.